I was in what I considered pretty good shape beforehand, and I have a family history. My dad passed of a heart attack at 50, and when I made it to 50, I kind of let my guard down and said, "Hey, I'm over that hurdle." But I was still doing a lot of exercise and wasn't eating necessarily great, but I was in decent condition, and but I just hadn't been going to the doctor. And turns out, what you look like on the outside is not what's happening on the inside. Turns out I had a heart attack, and then a cardiac arrest. And I had 90% blockage in one artery and 75 in another. And just went down. The hospital stay in Las Colinas, everyone in there was just great. And like Dr. Yallo said when I was leaving, he goes, everything we did worked. And I just feel like, God put all of the right people at the right time, at the right places, and they all did the right thing to bring me back to life and save my life. And so I'm really grateful and really appreciative of all the medical expertise and the people.